Designing beautiful UI in Power Apps is a bit difficult. Come along as I show you in this series how to design a modern Leaf application in Power Apps. In this tutorial, first of all, I'm going to leverage the use of this Leaf app, that is the template Leaf app that is in the Power Apps homepage. So when you come to home, you go to create some of the template there. You will see there is a template called leave request, and I'm using the phone, the mobile version of this leave request, and that is what I open here. And I'm going to use the process of this. And designing beautiful in Power App, you need some UI ideas. So basically this is what Microsoft came up. This is their UI. When you're creating, you go with selecting this, you select the days, then you proceed with next, change the leave approval, then you add the title and then the detail, then you proceed. So with this one, you're going to first of all look at our UI, and I went on Google and searched for this leave application UI Figma, and the first result that came up in me. Then when I open it, this is what I get. This is the UI, and this is actually how you look like in the Figma. This is the Figma design. Shout out to this guy that created this. He did an amazing job here. So let me actually zoom it out a bit. Yeah, okay, this is okay. So he has a loading screen before a login. These are the two login. So this is the login, this is the landing, sorry, this is the loading before the home itself here. And then you have where to create a form to create. Then you have the leaves, the details, the leaf all together at this side. And then you have a little of some other pop-ups and co that are here. I may not need most of them. This is what you need to do. And then when I try to run the app, let's see how it look like. So there is a bit of animation. Then I try to process. This is still Figma. This is actually not Power Apps. So this interface, you don't need it because Power Apps already has the authentication. And this is how this look like with some of these beautiful things that are showing here. Then you can go to apply leave, and you can see this is how it look. And when it comes to leave status also, and you can view the leave. When you're done, then you can just click here to put it back. So you're going to design something similar in Power Apps. And when I say you're going to design it, look, this is Power App, you could see, and this is it. So with this one, first of all, they have a landing before this, and this is where the animation transit from here to here. So similarly, did something similar. So let's see how it goes. So this is the landing. Then you have the navigation, you see that, and then you can proceed to login, and then here you are. Try to mimic the same thing I've seen over there. Yeah, yeah. And then when you come to new leave, you have the form tool. These are new modern controls that I put over here. Try to leverage their usage and see how best we can use them, and then also what is their limitation, you know. So this full app is a mix of classic controls and then modern controls. And then this is the where you see all the requests, and when you select this, there is this pop-up that display all these. Leave rejected, you can see it. Pending leave, then you can just close it. So basically this is what I came up with, trying to mimic this UI from Figma. So basically what I do most of the time when it comes to Power App design is I search online to find out if I can get some of this UI there, and the one that look beautiful, that look more attractive for me, I take and I try to mimic, and as you can see, I mimic exact what they have over there. Exact, not completely. And then shout out to this guy that created this here. This was an amazing for help. Okay, so let's head back to the design. So as you can see, this is the app in Power Apps. See, boom, and that is the navigation, the animation. Then you proceed the inside. Then you go to new leave and you have the form ready. You go to my requests, then you have all this, then you can select and view and then close it. Yeah, pretty much. It was a bit hustle, but it was good working with such UI. So stay along as we proceed one by one on how to achieve this.